Morning. These are some of the following steps you need to follow. This is the process of execution of this program. Yeah, we are going to discuss the HTTP session. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
make a note of this following steps. These are the process of execution of that program. Once if we come to know that, it become easy for us to interact. Hmm. Hello, ask others to join. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open the net please. Ready, right?
sir.
Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, open the net means. Is it visible? Net bin visible?
No, sir.
Now?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So as we discussed the HTTP sessions, now we are going to implement that using the program number 5. We need to create the 3 different HTML file as well as 3 different HTML files and 2 different servlets to handle that one. Okay. So again, it is a client server program. Again, it is a client server program. So new project, Java web application. Next, so session handling, Next, Apache Tomcat. Context path, you just check the context path. See, remember, this is the path of execution, context path. Next, finish. Okay. This is the default page which it will create JSP program 6, which we are going to learn about the JSP, but as of now, let it be as it is. We need 3 different pages, 3 different HTML pages. One is link page dot HTML. Link page dot, instead of writing the same code for several times, we are going to create this link page. Okay, the link page which consists of login hyperlink, profile hyperlink, and a logout hyperlink. Then finish. So here for some beauty of pages, you can use some DG color, background color, ash. Some color code I used, I don't know which color that was. So now you are going to create the link page. You are going to create the link page href. The content of link page is href. When you click on this particular link, it will open the login page. Login. This character is used to differentiate to differentiate between the 2 different links. I use this pipeline symbol. Then hyperreference href equal to, so one more page called as profile servlet page. Profile. So one more. Hey, Sumir. HREF. So one more page called as logout servlet. Logout servlet. Logout. Again, I'm using one more pipeline for profile. After creating this, see how it look like. See how it look like on the output screen. Okay. See how it look like? It look like this. When you click on login HTML, it redirects. When you click on profile, it will take you to the profile servlet. When you click on logout, it will take you to the logout servlet. Okay. Then I think this page is visible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then come back to the NetBeans. So according to this, another page we need to create, that is login h.html. New HTML login page. Then finish. What is the content of login page? As usual, form action. Here, add session servlet. You are adding a session to that servlet when the proper credential happen. Method equal to post. Then username, input type equal to text, name equal to UN, you use required. Required does not allow you without entering input the values. Then password, input type equal to password, name equal to pwd required. Then input type equal to submit, value equal to submit, name equal to submit. So one more, input type equal to reset, value equal to reset, name equal to reset. Okay, then see how it look like. Then see how it look like. Run it, run the file. It is looking like all the controls in single line. So rather than displaying this, just you switch on, you type some of the controls. H1, heading 1, login page. So for some decoration, background color, hash dd bb af. I don't know what is that color. Let us see that one. When you go, some color it is displaying. Again, break, break, let it be as it is. Again, refresh the page. How it look like? Fine. So required is not recognized. Disable error checking. Got it? Let us move on creating the, when you click on submit, required field is enforced. You need to enter something. Got it? Why required attribute is used? You need to enter something. Submit, since add servlet, add session servlet not yet defined, so it is showing 404. Okay, clear? Then the next page we need to create is profile page. Profile.html. Profile.html. Finish. Again, for some other different colors, attraction, bg color, hash ccccdd. Okay, so heading 1, so create your own profile. I'm creating my profile. You create your own profile. My brief profile information, table row, table data, table data, table data. Creating my profile with 3 different values, 4 different. One is name, then the name is Shivkumara, then education, MCA, MTech, PhD, LMI, STE. Okay. Then contact. Then Okay, some contact information. It is all about the session, about your profile. Every time you need to save to avoid the technical problem. Fine, save it. Once save it, again see how it look like. Check it. It look like this. See, now to recognize the table, we can just use the border value, border to 1. You can use caption rather than a heading here. Can use here caption. It will display in the tabular format. It will display in the tabular format, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? After creating login link page, so rename it through refactor. Here link page refactor. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we are going to create relevant servlet. Which are those servlet? Add session servlet 1 and profile servlet another and logout servlet. Now create new servlet. You name it as add session servlet. Add session servlet. Next 505 or 404 error you will find because of especially 500 you will find the error because of this unclick. You check that checkbox. Some versions of NetBeans support that. Here by default it is taking. So just finish. Similarly, create 2 more servlet, another servlet, session servlet, then profile servlet. Next, finish. So one more servlet called as logout servlet. Logout servlet. Click next, finish. Okay, clear? Next, first let us add the session to the user, right? So user might be your name or my name. Okay, first let us catch the username password with the help of get parameter method. With the help of get parameter method. Here string user equal to request dot get parameter. What is the name of the control? UN I was given. String password equal to request dot get parameter of password pwd. Right now you are checking if user dot equals ignore case. In you can go with ignore case option. Equal ignore case with, for example, if I input BMSIT username as BMSIT and pwd dot equals ignore case, either you pass all caps, all small or mixed mode of it will support BMSIT. Okay, in this case, if both input is proper, out dot print ln login is success, or you directly write welcome user, welcome user. Now we are including the external page. Which is the external page? Link page is the external page to the main page. So you are including the external page using request dispatcher method. Request 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 dot get request dispatcher. Get request dispatcher. First you are including the link page dot html dot include request response. It means that you are including the